Hi, my name is Brian Barrios, and I'm here to bring you a DIY for VOAD, brought to you by the FFA program. Let's get into it. Alright, so today we are going to venture out into the backyard, especially right after a rainy day. Not like this one, it's cloudy. But after the rain, there usually are flowers. And today we're going to look for a flower, so do not poison yourself, because I will not be liable. No suing on my hand, okay? Okay, so we are gonna look for these flowers. They're called violets or violas. It depends if you're fancy or not. But I prefer violets. So, step one, look for a patch. Don't confuse a violet with this. This is just a weed. You eat it, you'll die. Simple as that. So, you're gonna look for a special type of flower called a violet, like I said earlier. The violet looks like that. And over here, if you accidentally pick this one up, nothing bad happens. I just don't like the taste. You can get poisoned, so do not do that. So you want to pick a whole bunch. Do not do that. You'll mess up really bad if you do that. So basically, you just want to gather as many flowers as you can. So violets like the shade or semi-sunny areas. So basically,
Or under a
just
tree.
look for a place near trees or in the middle of a field. Now, violets are tiny and cute flowers. They're not the tiny purple ones, they're just big and fluffy. Now, violets have a little cousin that's exactly like them, but it's white. The issue with that is I don't know if it's edible, so work at your own risk with the white one. Maybe it'll add a bit of flavor to the tea. I do not know. After rinsing them with cold water, you want to put them in any cup of your choice to sit for an hour or two so then you can get the full effect. After leaving it out for 2 hours, you can begin the color changing process. After you've rinsed it, you want to add hot water so that you can start the steeping process of the tea. Make sure to not use boiling water because then it'll blanch the flowers and you'll lose the dye. So I added ice so then the flowers don't blanch and lose their color. In a separate bowl, mix a lemon and a tablespoon of honey. And once you're ready, we'll watch the magic. Violets are pH sensitive, and when you add an acidic base, it starts to change colors. If you can watch closely, it used to be purple. Now it's turning pink purple. It's turning reddish purple. Now, if we mix it a bit more, you will see that it's now magenta. But let's say you accidentally now, if you add a base to your drink, something random happens. Oh, so for this next part of the experiment, since it's pH sensitive, if you add a base to it, it will begin to change colors to blue. So since it's pH sensitive, as you can see here, if you add a sugar syrup that's basic, you will get a blue-green. But if you add an acidic base, then you'll get a magenta instead of purple.
Whenever you're ready.
Ready?
Yeah. Is it done?
Yes.
Is this why I'm recording?
I don't know. I'm waiting for it to stop recording.